Hello everyone. In this series, we will discuss the question number 3 from the Geography previous year's question series. So the question number 3 is about dew. Yes, you can see in this picture that on the grass there are some droplets of water which is known as dew. So the UPSC asks a question. Let's read the question. Why are dewdrops not formed on the cloudy nights? Option A. Clouds absorb the radiation released from the Earth's surface. Option B. Clouds reflect back the Earth's radiation. Option C. The Earth's surface would have low temperature on cloudy nights. Option D. The cloud deflect the blowing wind to ground level. So we have a question and 4 statements are given here and we have to choose a right statement. So first of all, we should refer a source where we can find out discussion about dew formation. So our best source is the NCERT itself. So these 3 statements are from the NCERT class 11th, unit number 11, and the name of the chapter is Water in the Atmosphere. So here we will find statement 1. When the moisture is deposited in the form of water droplets on cooler surface of solid objects such as on stone, grass blades, plant leaves, it is known as dew. Let's mark the important keyword here. First of all, this is moisture. Number 2, it is deposited in the form of water droplets. Any moisture deposited in form of water droplets on cooler surfaces. It means the surface on which moisture is putting down, that surface must be cooler. And what kind of surface? That surface should be solid, like the stone, grass blades and plant leaves. It is known as dew. What are the ideal conditions for the formation of a dew? The sky should be clear, first condition. Air should be calm and there should be relatively high moisture, high humidity in the atmosphere. Cold and long nights. Okay, cold and long nights. These are the ideal condition. Because what is happening here? The moisture which is present in the environment, that is getting condensed and depositing on the surface. And for getting condensed, the moisture getting condensed, we need low temperature. Then only the moisture will get condensed. And how that low temperature will be provided? When sky will be clear, the air is calm and there is higher humidity in the atmosphere and night are long and cold. The next is, for the formation of dew, it is necessary dew point is above the freezing point. Obviously, if it is equal to the freezing point, it will freeze. There will not droplet. It will become frost. Okay, it will become? It will become frost if temperature is equal to the freezing point. So the dew point should be above the freezing point. So this is our information which we get from the NCERT. And this is the basic information which will help us to solve the question. Let's move further. This is the piece of knowledge which I have extracted from the Wikipedia so that we can find this question. We can dive into deep. So as the exposed surface cools, first of condition, surface should be cool. So how surface get cool? Because surface radiate its energy into the atmosphere. It radiate its energy and it get cool in itself, and the moisture which is present in the atmosphere condense at a greater rate than it get evaporate. You know how the evaporation take place? Evaporation takes place when temperature is high. It convert into vapor. How the water converted into vapor? When water is heated up. When water is heated up, it converted into vapor. So we need a higher temperature. And for condensation, we require a lower temperature. So what happens when surface get cools by radiating its own energy? The water the water and the humidity which is present in the atmosphere get condensed into the form of droplets because of the presence of the cold surface. Okay, when temperature are low enough, dew takes the form of ice. This form is called frost. Obviously, as we discussed earlier, that when the temperature is so much low that the dew drops converted into ice, it is known as frost. Because dew is related to temperature of surface, in late summer, it forms most easily on surface that are not warmed by the conducting heat from deep ground as the grass leaves, railings, car roofs and bridges. So from this piece of information we get to know that this formation of dew mainly take place in summer season when the ground is not so much warm because it is a late summer period, and on the long nights the surface get cooler and the moisture which is present in the atmosphere get condensed. So what we get from the both piece of information, that we need clear sky, we need cold surface, we need long and cold nights. So this low temperature is must. What we get for the dew formation. Now next our piece of information, dew formation need a specific low temperature. Yes, we have discussed it earlier that we need low temperature. With humidity, yes, we need humidity, then only it will get condensed into water. And a clear sky, yes, but what happen on cloudy nights? Because we need a clear sky. But question have been asked that why dew formation not take place in cloudy nights? We already know we need clear sky for dew formation. So what happen on cloudy nights? The clouds send the heat back to the ground, so the ground never get cold enough to enough for the dew formation. Okay, if the clouds are present there, then the radiation which is emitting from the ground, it will go to the cloud will reflect it back, and what will happen, the ground will never get cool as much as is required for the dew formation. So we have cleared our basic concept. Now let's move ahead to our question. What is our question? This is our question. Option number 1 is given, cloud absorb radiation released from the earth surface. No. If cloud have absorbed, then what will happen? The surface will get cool and condensation will happen. But this doesn't happen. Cloud do not absorb the energy. What a cloud do? They just reflect it back. Okay. When we will further discuss a phenomena which is known as albedo. What happen in albedo? Cloud reflect the sunlight into the space. So they don't absorb. So option A is wrong. Option B, cloud reflect. Yes, we know it. So this is the answer. Option C, cloud surface would have low temperature on cloudy nights. No. If there are the night with a lot of cloud cover, cloud will, what they will do? They will reflect the heat back to the surface and surface will never get cooler. The cloud deflect the blowing wind to the ground level. No, the wind have nothing to do with the formation of dew. So our concept is quite clear that for dew formation there are some ideal conditions of the long nights with cold temperature, and we need enough moisture in the atmosphere, and if cloud are present there, what they will do? They will just reflect the heat which is emitting from the ground, radiating from the ground, and ground will not get cold enough and no dew formation will take place. So thank you guys. I think we have discussed it in a very fine manner.